This could very well be what a second-generation iPhone Air might look like in the future, and the Vivo S50 Pro Mini is another solid example of this direction. We've already unboxed the earlier S50 series, which proved to be a well-balanced flagship, and this phone is expected to launch globally under the name Vivo X300 FE. The Mini version in particular brings some noticeable changes, so let's go ahead and unbox it. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. Right away, the one-time seal packaging highlights how compact this mini model really is. It feels light in the hand and very easy to grip. Inside the box, the essential accessories are included: a charger with a USB-A port and Vivo's 90-watt FlashCharge adapter. As you'd expect from the Pro variant, it supports higher charging power at 11 volts and 8.2x. The included data cable is the original 8.5 cable, noticeably thick and a bit stiff, with a standard length of about 99 centimeters. Now for the phone itself. With a 6.31-inch display, it truly qualifies as a compact device. Even with my relatively small hands, using it one-handed is effortless. The screen is flat and there's a centered cutout visible through the screen protector. Along the sides, you'll notice a subtle curve that's easy to spot. The bezels themselves are curved as well, so despite the flat panel, the edges feel smooth and comfortable when you swipe. The frame features a light purple tone, and the metal antenna lines are placed symmetrically on both sides, including the top on the right side. At the bottom, the layout is also symmetrical, with the SIM card slot and microphone sitting close together, so make sure you identify them correctly. Turning to the back, the design might look familiar at first glance. This camera layout isn't common among mainstream smartphones, which makes it quite memorable. We'll put it side by side with the iPhone Air later, but for now, let's talk about the overall shape. The body proportions feel roughly like a 1:9 or 1:8 ratio. One big advantage of having all the cameras positioned at the top is that when you hold the phone with either your left or right hand, even if your hands are larger than mine, your grip won't block the cameras at all. This is how a natural one-handed grip looks. The three elements on the back are aligned horizontally, and the glossy metal edges look very well finished. From a horizontal perspective, the design is slightly asymmetrical, with one side raised, and comparing it to the rest of the body really helps you notice the detail. Despite its premium build, the phone weighs just 193 grams, which makes it impressively light. The combination of metal and glass gives it a high-quality feel and a very appealing look overall. If you had to rate the design out of 100, what score would you give it? It definitely stands out from the crowd. Once you snap on the included protective case, the appearance changes again, and honestly, it makes the phone look even more charming. We quickly booted into Origin OS, where the slim bezels immediately stand out. On a lighter background, the compact size becomes even more obvious. All four sides have equal bezel width, and the inner corners are nicely rounded. As for pre-installed software, there are 21 third-party apps on the device, which feels fairly reasonable and not overly excessive. The display supports an ultra-high 4320 Hz PWM dimming system, which can be especially beneficial if you have sensitive eyes. When it comes to screen features, even though this is a mini model, it still includes a second-generation 3D ultrasonic fingerprint sensor. This means faster unlocking and a more natural, comfortable placement on the screen. On the performance side, the Vivo S50 Pro Mini is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 processor, one of this year's new flagship-level chipsets. A quick benchmark run shows that overall performance is very solid. Battery specs are also right up there with top-tier phones, offering 90 watts super-fast wired charging, 40 watts wireless fast charging, and a large 6500 mAh battery. Keep in mind this phone still weighs just 193 grams. In real-world charging tests, it went from 0 to 100% in 51 minutes, hitting a peak charging power of 73 watts. From the initial trickle charge all the way to full, the total time was about 1 hour and 11 minutes. After completing 5 standard battery endurance tests, there was still 65% battery remaining. Considering its compact size and lightweight design, the battery life on the S50 Pro Mini is genuinely impressive. Its positioning is very clear. A small, easy-to-handle body with a high screen-to-body ratio, a 6.31-inch display that doesn't feel too small, and a redesigned camera layout that makes it comfortable to use with either hand. Overall, it's a pretty interesting device. The base variant of the Vivo S50 Pro Mini starts at 3,699 yuan in China, which roughly converts to around 392 pounds in the UK and about $524 in the US. I'll be uploading a detailed review very soon, so make sure you subscribe to the channel and join our tech team. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.